going to do, take my bucket here, scoop them in. Extend it a little bit. Got a netting inside of it, so they stick to my netting, my screen. There we go. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my
All
God.
in my bucket. And that's it. Some will fly back up there because that's where they were. But if I got the queen, they'll be down here. Which I probably did. I did dump a few on the ground here. Double check. And there's bees hanging out. No queen. She's in here. That's one of the easiest ones because I could get my bucket all the way up against them.
Very cool.
Now those bees, after about 15 minutes, will get a little angry because they don't know what happened to their queen. If they don't find it, find my box down here. Prop it up a little bit. Put out a pheromone. I don't know if you can hear them roaring. Do you hear them?
I hear them a little bit.
They're fanning right now, all their pheromones. They're telling everybody to come down here.
Good.
You see them how they're circling all down here now?
Yeah.
So they're 10 minutes, so I'll be in the box. And I'll check on this one.